Hello everyone, welcome to my lecture series. In this lecture series, I will discuss about Z transform. So if we consider a time domain signal to convert into frequency domain representation, then we will use Fourier transform or Laplace transform. That means continuous time domain signal Fourier transform or Laplace transform, then we will get frequency domain representation. And similarly, for discrete time domain signal, we will use discrete Fourier transform or Z transform. If we consider discrete time domain signal by applying discrete Fourier transform or Z transform, then we will get frequency domain representation. Similarly, by sampling of continuous time domain signal, that will convert to discrete time domain signal. That means continuous time domain signal applying sampling, that it will be converted into discrete time domain signal. And if we apply discrete Fourier transform, or Z transform, it will be converted into frequency domain representation. Now we will discuss about continuous signal and discrete signal. In continuous signal, time is continuous. and for discrete signal time is discrete. In continuous time domain signal is defined for all values of t. Signal is and for all values of time t, but here the signal is defined for discrete interval of time t. Here independent variable is time, but here independent variable is sample. Sample means n. Independent variable is sample, which is denoted by n. For graphical representation, we can say continuous time signal. It is a continuous time domain signal, but here graphical representation can be represent 0 this type of signal. This type of signal. The Z transform of a discrete time signal x of n is represented by xz. That means the Z transform of a discrete time signal x of n is represented by x of z or Z transform of x of n, where x of z equal to minus infinity to plus infinity x of n z to the power minus n. Z means a complex variable. That means and z equal to r into e to the power j omega. Actually, Z transform is a powerful tool for designing or analysis the electronic circuits and also signal processing. Ending the video here. Thank you.